In this lecture, we will study how to configure SSH server. On Red Hat 7, SSH server is already installed and the services are already enabled. Let's log into the machine. I gave the wrong password. Let's log in. Let's first check whether this package OpenSSH is installed or not. By default, it comes pre-installed with Red Hat 7.0. We are working on CentOS 7.0 or Red Hat 7.0. It's already installed with the dependencies. Now let's check the service status. By default, it's enabled and running. It's listening on port 22 by default. Let's SSH to this machine by using PuTTY client. The IP of the machine is shown here. Let's try to connect. It has given the access, asking for the password, and now we're there. Let's check the IP to confirm. Now let's check whether it's enabled in the firewall or not. By default, SSH is already enabled, is already allowed in the firewall.